So this is a case for my Phantom 3 Advanced. Here is the Phantom 3 right here from DJI, and this is a case IM 2600. You can read the model number here. It's a storm case. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Alright, it still has the foam inside. I'm gonna cut the foam so that I can place the drone inside. It's a very solid plastic case, so it should be waterproof. Here's a 360. So in a couple minutes I will be cutting the inside so that we could fit this drone inside of it. So here's the box. Pelican IM 2600 storm case. So this is the front of the case. You have a watertight seal, the handle, you have holes for a lock on both sides. Here at the top you press this here to open or close the case, one on the left and one on the right. So I have everything on the case so that I can cut into the foam. So 4 items so far. I have an iPad Air to go with the controller for flying, taking pictures, getting videos. So it's currently on the map right now. So I have the battery here, and this is a Phantom 3 Advanced. The camera is there. The propellers are mounted. So I want to keep this in the case with the propellers. I should have plenty of space to do this. Finally, you have the controller. Okay, it's folded right now. Mount is folded. The antennas are folded. So this will be placed vertically on the case. So here is a top view of what I want to accomplish. Having the drone with the propellers on, battery, controller, and tablet. So I'm gonna remove the controller first, the iPad, and the battery. So I have the drone centered on the foam. I'm gonna make sure it's right at the center. So I'll need to make a cut inside the foam so that this could fit with the propellers on. So you have a square at the bottom, and you have the cross for the 2 arms. Then you have the square for the propellers, so you could see the shape from the top. So what I need is a knife and a set of toothpicks, because I need to mark here the pattern so that this could fit inside the case. I also need to mark the pattern so that the cross can also lay on top here, right on top of the foam. Now you want to make sure when you look here at the height, you can see you have right enough space. You can see the propellers here at the top. You have right enough space to close the case. So this should not be a problem. So I'm gonna start making a pattern with my toothpicks. I removed the battery first. You can see it's out for long-term storage. You don't want to have a battery inside your drone. Also, I have the square ready. So this is the first one, second one. I have a third one here and the fourth one at the back. For the arms, you can use this ruler or something vertical to place the end. So I have my first one going straight down here, the second one right there, the third one, and the fourth one the same way. Now you can remove the foam. Just make sure that you remove it as a block, because these are individual pieces. As you can see, it's a grid, so you want to remove the foam as a chunk, as a piece of block, in case you need to repair the case later. You can cut these and use them as padding. Now here's the first step. I removed 3 pads of foam to make the square. Here are the pads, and here is the DJI Phantom in the case. You can see the camera here is sitting at the bottom, and I still have a layer of foam in there to protect it. Now I have my arms that are still sticking out. So what I did is use a marker and draw the pattern for the arms. You can see right there. So all the way around I have my 4 arms marked so that I can make a cut inside the foam. Here's the third arm, and here is the fourth one. So I will be making the last cut so that I have the arms inside the case. So here's what it looks like. You have a square in the middle and 4 arms. Here are the pads that I removed. So I will be placing the drone back in there. Let's see how it fits. So there we go. Here is the final result. You have the case with the DJI Phantom, the controller, and on the side you have the iPad Air, the charger, and the battery. So this is it. I've placed all the cuts at the right places. I still have the propellers on, and I can close the case, and it closes without any problem. I can lock it, and there it is. This was a review for the case, the IM 2600 from Pelican. It's a small storm case, and I got this for about $100 online compared to the more expensive cases. You can do this yourself, make the cuts yourself, and save some money. This is a very nice case, and I hope you can try it. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about it. Thank you.